Alright, so here we are, Paul and Pam episode 2. Paul is
What up?
trash.
I'm not. I just like snow.
It's snowing.
Fucking love to eat snow.
Oh, oh my.
Off a car.
This is what I deal with. You see this? Bar Tuesday, welcome. Post-Bar Tuesday.
It's so
I'm
good.
gonna drive his ass home.
Alright, you want me to sing a song, man?
You want to sing a song?
Alright, we gotta turn this off. Alright, my last number was And I Am Telling You. I'm not going. I'm not going.
No.
Cause I'm the best man no one's ever known. There's no way I can ever make a snowman. No, 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 ma. No, 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 ma. I'm not living without you. No, on my tongue. I'm not living without you.
Stop eating the snow. Okay, I think we need to wrap this
No, we don't
one
have,
up.
I won't say anymore. We don't have to rap.
Well, what are we going to say?
Hi.
Hi. So, Norma's birthday party.
Hi.
Full of food.
Her daughter Tanya told me a touching story. Alright.
Her daughter, Tracy.
Forgot your name, Trace. It's alright.
Paul's had a few cocktails
It's
tonight.
fine. I got snow in my eyes. Alright.
Hi, David.
David.
He dropped his pants in the bar because
Obviously, that's
we're
what you do at
classy
the boulevard.
We're
Now, I ain't talking the reunion. I ain't talking like, you get the block like, "Showtime," that song, whatever it was. I didn't even say it right. But, either way, she was like, old NKTV.
OTB.
New
Alright,
Kids on
enjoy
the
your
Block.
snow.
What?
We're signing off.
What?
We'll see you guys this weekend when we go to New York.
Alright, but Pam's being rude because, like, I'm fine. She thinks I'm drunk. You just know.
What do you guys think?
Alright, well, you want to start a poll? Like,
Yeah, we'll start a poll. Leave what you
alright,
think in
start
the
a poll.
comments.
Am I drunk or am I not drunk? That's the poll. Alright, no, and we'll start
He's
another
eating
poll.
snow out of my
No,
car.
we will start another poll. Like, like snow
It's
eaters
like can't
versus
snow eaters. Snow eaters.
Really? Alright, no. Punch 1 if you eat snow. Punch 2 if you don't. And punch 3 if you let Pam. Bye.
Bye.